Oh, it's already setting up. Holy shit. Okay, so we're coming along on the tail piece. Basically what happened, what I'm doing now, is when I put in my inserts, I'm not sure if you can see that, but the fiberglass holding my inserts is just a little higher than the rest. So I have a bit of a gap here when the bike sits on the tail. So my plan is, I don't know if it's a good plan or a bad plan, I guess we'll see, is I'm going to cover this with bondo, just goop it on, and then flip it upside down, and I've made kind of a platform here, all level, for the bike, for the seat to sit on. Then I'm just going to squish it down, and it'll hopefully come out the sides, and I'll have to clean that up, but then I'll have a perfectly smooth, flat bottom. Then as that sits and dries, I can do my final shaping of the seat, and then fiberglass the top, and get this sucker rolling. So anyways, we'll see how it goes. I'm going to mix my bondo. Now this is the same bondo. I tried to smoothen my styrofoam out with it, and as you can see, it ate it all up. So I've got methods to clean up on that regard as well. But let's try this. Now, even though it ate my styrofoam, it shouldn't eat this. Oh, it's already setting up. Holy shit. Okay, so I think that worked okay. I got a nice flat edge around. Still flashed a little quicker than I expected right here, so I'm going to have to do a little bit reworking, add a bit there. But now I know that's my flat surface. I can adjust my fine tweaking for the do my fine tweaking knowing that this is level. so I can adjust if this or this are out of level for the seat plan. But I think I got it pretty close. And now that's what we're going to do, is just do the final touches. I want to make this a little more linear on this curve, and then start fiberglassing. Okay, let's see how that works. Yeah, not bad. Nice and smooth. So I gotta fill in a little here, maybe fill in a little there. But at least I have enough points that I should be able to make that perfectly flat now. Cool. Fortunate.